A fantastic drink for the holiday season. Today on Wicked Cocktails, we'll be making the Fig Sidecar. Hey, I'm Mike Holmes. I'm an owner and bartender at Wickman House, and today we're making the Fig Sidecar. This is a really incredible drink. It's wonderful for everybody's taste buds. It's an awesome take on a classic drink using dark rum instead of cognac or bourbon, and it's perfect for the holiday season. For this drink, we're using a matured aged rum from India, from Lazzaroni, their triple sec, a little bit of that bar simple syrup, some fresh lemon juice, fig puree, and sugar for the sugared rim. So for this drink, we're gonna start a little fancy. We're gonna start out in a martini glass. This one's served up. So we're gonna chill that down, put a couple ice cubes in there, water, and we're just gonna set that aside while we make our drink. All right, so this is a fig puree, and I make this puree out of, I just get a preserves and cut it with a little bit of hot water, get it down so it's just nice and syrupy. We're going to take about 3 of these tablespoons of that. This gives an awesome, awesome fig puree flavor to it. So 3 big scoops there. You just make this in a blender pretty easy. Then we're going to go into fresh lemon juice. You get about 3/4 ounce of fresh lemon juice. Simple syrup, same thing. You want to give about 1/2 ounce, 3/4 ounce there. And then we're going to go into our triple sec. So we use the Lazzaroni. It's a nice, straightforward, orangey flavor. You want to have a little bit of that orange flavor to it, kind of talks through the drink. And then we use this Old Port Amrit rum from India, and it's just a great matured dark rum. So 2 ounces on that gives you a drink. You kind of see where it's at in the glass. You're about 1/3 of the way up, or almost half. Get your ice. You're going to shake this a lot. You want it really nice and cold, okay? So these are that, just a cocktail shaker, pint glass. And while this is happening, I'm just going to dump this out. We're going to set that aside here while we do a very important step. We're going to take our chilled martini glass, get as much water off as you can. This is just regular sugar. Put it on a plate and just put a little bit of sugar on the rim of your glass. You don't want it over sugared, so just shake a little bit of that off there. And pop this open here. Grab your Hawthorne strainer. So this is a little bit different than that julep strainer we showed you before. This is a Hawthorne strainer, and it has a spring in it. Pour it till you want to leave it a little bit from the top because you have that sugar rim. So sits just perfect like that. And there you have it, the Fig Sidecar. And you can get the recipe for this drink and many more at wickedcocktails.com.